Friends, myself, Dr. Rupal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company. So today, let's look at a case study where we have implemented SAP Signavio for a manufacturing company. They are a leading automobile part manufacturing company and are utilizing SAP Signavio to optimize their production lines and improve operational efficiency. With SAP Signavio, their teams collaborate seamlessly in real time. Engineers, production managers, and supply chain specialists work together to optimize production schedules. SAP Signavio's analytical tools help identify production bottlenecks. I would also like to share a few areas where SAP Signavio significantly increased their production efficiency. Number one, inefficient workflows, where SAP Signavio allows businesses to map out their workflows visually. Bottlenecks were identified by analyzing these flowcharts. They eliminated unnecessary loops, complex decision-making trees, and all the redundant steps which were slowing down their production process. Number two, through SAP Signavio, they could identify stages in the production process where resources, including the machinery and the labor, were consistently overloaded, which led to bottlenecks as the resources were not allocated optimally. Number three, also, they identified complex approval processes which delayed the supply chain, as Signavio Process Intelligence can help visualize approval chains and highlight any unnecessary steps or decision points. Number four, one excellent application of SAP Signavio was IT integration. Their production processes involved various systems and tools. Bottlenecks used to occur at integration points whenever data didn't flow smoothly between systems. SAP Signavio helped mapping out these integration points, making it easier for them to identify potential bottlenecks. Number five, quality control. Inefficiencies were identified and resolved. Their QC checkpoints were not strategically placed within the production process, which created higher rejections than acceptable values. SAP Signavio visualized the placement of quality control checkpoints and indirectly reduced rejection percentage. Number six, while SAP Signavio doesn't directly monitor machines, it helped in modeling processes that involved machine interactions. By identifying the manufacturing steps, SAP Signavio helped them in working on strategies to minimize the turnaround time. Number seven, as in the case of most manufacturing companies, their production was reliant on timely deliveries from suppliers. SAP Signavio played a very important role here, first in mapping out the supply chain process and then identifying delays in receiving the raw material. This not only helped in supplier performance rating, but also helped in streamlining the raw material ordering process as per the lead time. At number 8, we have identifying the skill gaps and training need analysis. Using Process Modeler, we mapped all the as-is processes for the organization SAP Signavio. We observed that certain tasks, which should ideally take, for example, 2 hours to complete, were on an average taking more than 5 to 6 hours, which helped company in identifying that skill gaps which was creating these bottlenecks. The company then planned targeted training programs to bridge the skill gap. Thus, SAP Signavio transformed the production process. Engineers design products efficiently, considering real-time production constraints. Production managers monitor the assembly lines, ensuring optimal utilization of resources. Quality control measures are seamlessly integrated, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. And most importantly, SAP Signavio operates seamlessly across as they are already on SAP ECC. So if you are on SAP ECC or S4HANA or any other versions of SAP ERP, SAP Signavio is your gateway to a more efficient, collaborative, and streamlined business process. By embracing this powerful tool, you're not only managing your processes, but also optimizing your entire operations. So why wait? Dive into the future of business efficiency with SAP Signavio.